I've introduced you to jQuery, and there is so many things that you can do with it. Right now, we're going to focus on learning about jQuery plugins. There are many plugins available, and I'm just going to show you a few and let you know how you can incorporate them into your projects. A plugin is a piece of code that's written in a standard JavaScript file. These files provide useful jQuery methods, which can be used along with the jQuery library methods to enhance a web page. There are plenty of plugins and enhancements available on the jQuery website. If you visit the jQuery website and go to plugins.jquery.com, you can find different categories that are going to contain different sorts of enhancements that you can add to your website. If you click on one of the categories, it's going to list a description of different sorts of things that you can add to your website project. If you click on the name of one of these, it should take you to the page that is going to give you more details about this particular effect or plugin. Some of the effects or plugins are going to allow you to try a demo. They will link you to a homepage, and they'll give you the option to download that particular element. There is a lot of information here, and you'll probably need to spend some time to find out how it works and if it's right for your project. I'm going to be sharing with you two plugins that I find very useful. The first one is going to be a carousel plugin. Here on this page, I have several different examples of how we can incorporate the carousel plugin. The carousel plugin allows you to display numerous images, and then it offers different ways in which you can present those images to your users. This can be a great way to deliver not only images but other content on a web page. The other plugin that we're going to be looking at is a Lightbox plugin. This particular plugin is kind of a combination between a modal window and a slideshow. If I click on one of the images, you can see how it dims out the rest of the page and it shows me a bigger version of the image. From here, I can click to advance to the next image, or I can go back and visit a previous image. In addition, I can close this by clicking the Close button. Let's get started and see how we can add these plugins in our projects.